Now today is November 26th. The winter is definitely on the horizon. However, it is 75 degrees. It is sunny. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Home Sweet Home. I think it's about time we say hi to our new neighbors. Hello, hello. Well, if you did not see the last video, we moved. We left the state of Utah. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to Arizona. When I say we moved to Arizona, we kind of moved to Arizona, Sophia. More of a sabbatical, a winter getaway, right? You're freezing. Cut?
Cut.
Your hair is a mess. You look good though. Scottsdale, Arizona. So I've rented a house here in the state of Arizona for a year. So I didn't buy a house. I didn't sell my house in Utah. We're just renting. We're gonna kind of sort of see how it is. We're gonna be spending a lot of time between the two states, but basically the snow, it's kind of sort of overrated. I cannot believe it is the end of November. I'm wearing a t-shirt and look at this guy. Sophie, look at this guy. That is spiky.
Ow.
Are you kidding? Stop touching it! I was told by a very close friend of mine, Alex Lambo Jesus, that for every foot of a cactus, that is 10 years of growth. Sophia, stand next to it. Stand next to it for scale. So theoretically, this cactus is like 300 years old.
The older the cactus, the older it is, so it's like
making the video. Yes, it is. It has to. We're fishing for content right now. And yes, if you were wondering how we got to this spot, we did have to slightly, ever so cautiously, off-road the wide-body Liberty Walk Aventador Roadster, but you know what? It is what it is. Yeah, I like it a lot. I usually can't drive this car for like 6 months in the winter in Utah. We can drive it every day. Sophie, Miami Blue Porsche right there. That's your color. What? Let's go. Blue Cephas on a Urus is such a quintessentially cool color. I don't know, boys. We might gotta get another Urus just to blend in. This is officially starting to get out of hand. How many Uruses are we gonna see today? Oh look, another Urus, another Urus. If you guys like Ferraris, welcome to the dealership network that is Penske of Scottsdale. They got every single make and model. They got 4 dates for days. We got 296 over here. Would you look at that? And right next to Ferrari, of course, we have Lamborghini of Scottsdale. Huracan looking prime. But Lamborghini's got to step up their game. They got one car outside. What's up, bro? Let's go. He knows what's up. This car is actually remarkably long. It's very low to the ground. Lift's gotta be up all the time, every time. Boom. And here she is, the new rental house. So the Viper, that is actually owned by my roommate, Belfort. He's gonna be here in about 2 hours or so. Very, very cool Viper. So we got a 3-car garage. We have 2,000 square feet. Welcome to Home Sweet Home. Now I'm gonna give you guys the full tour of the house momentarily, but before we do that, I'm excited to announce today's video has been sponsored by The Ridge. Now you guys all know how much I love my Ridge wallet, and this holiday season, there is no better time to pick up a Ridge product for yourself, for your family, or for a loved one. Using my link, ridge.com/Stradman, you're gonna get up to 30% off through December 20th. Now the Ridge wallet, it will expand to hold up to 12 cards, plus room for cash, while still maintaining a super sleek and slim design. And the Ridge wallet comes in up to 30 different colors and styles, including their brand new Hyper Lime and their ceramic powder. They also have leather in case you prefer a more traditional look. Now the Ridge wallet, we've all been there. You got that big, fatty, ugly, disgusting wallet. Don't be that guy. Throw that wallet away and upgrade to the Ridge today. And the Ridge wallet is designed with RFID blocking materials to prevent you from digital pickpocketers. The Ridge also has an assortment of AirTag attachments available, so you'll never lose your essentials again. And the Ridge has over 3 million customers with over 80,000 5-star reviews. The Ridge has a 99-day risk-free trial. You can test drive any Ridge product for up to 99 days, and if you don't love it, you can return it for a full refund. All Ridge products come with a lifetime warranty. Check out the link in the description below or visit ridge.com/Stradman to get up to 30% off through December 20th. Using that same link, you can also sign up for a chance to win a Ridge bundle pack worth up to $4,000. There's no purchase required. Guys, check out the link in the description below, ridge.com/Stradman. I'm trying to figure out how to introduce Mr. Max Belforti, a complicated soul, a man of many, many talents.
Man of many layers.
many
trying
layers.
to keep 'em guessing.
I also have to describe Mr. Max Belforti as the most eligible bachelor in Scottsdale, Arizona.
Whoa, now,
yes, sir.
Jake.
We're gonna find you a lucky lady.
Hey,
yes,
we've been
sir.
looking since the Salt Flats.
Yes, we
We've
have.
been looking since
it's
the
coming
Salt
sooner
Flats.
than you think.
That's right.
I also think we need to apologize to all of our neighbors, because think about it. Last weekend, they were just living their best life, and all of a sudden, we got a dude with a pink Lambo and another guy with a straight pipe Viper. They were living in an idyllic, tranquil neighborhood, and then a couple yahoos showed up.
They were. But listen, we've met the neighbors.
They like us.
We wanted to front run it a bit. Let them know that we're decent guys, and we're here to be receptive to feedback.
Oscar! Oscar! The floor's just slippy, bud. Welcome to Arizona. You don't fit in very well here, bud. Oscar is the most winter pup of all time. One thing I love about Arizona, there is no such thing as grass. You don't have to mow it, you don't have to water it. We also got like a little bridge right there. I also noticed the merchandise. What are you trying to tell me? You're trying to send mixed signals right now.
Listen, James, we're just planting seeds.
Yeah. A lot of seeds being planted.
They're shopping, so.
Belforti went and bought everything two bachelors could ever need. We got a bunch of DCs. We got the bomb.
Setting off a bomb.
And then of course down this hall we have a couple spare bedrooms there and another one behind that door, and then we have the master as well. This place is so incredibly cool because outside, ladies and gentlemen, check this out. Are you actually kidding me? It is the last weekend of November. It is 75, it is sunny. We have a pool that unfortunately is gas heated, which means it's about $50 to heat up. I'm gonna start swimming laps soon. I'm gonna get jacked. Yes, every single morning, Sophia and I, we're gonna wake up at the crack of dawn and we're gonna swim laps.
A little cold plunge?
Yes. Oscar, bud, what are you doing? Oscar loves all the plants out here because they're just full of fruit. What are these? Limes? These are lemons? Good job, Oscar. And we also have a variety of grapefruit as well. This is great. We can live off the land here in Arizona. No. We're new to the neighborhood. Nelly, you gotta control this man.
They have some nice decorations up though. I feel like they're probably pretty chill.
We're gonna get him a fruit basket.
Yeah, definitely a fruit basket.
All the neighbors are starting to come out. It's
know,
not good. My reputation precedes me.
We gotta go, we gotta
I know,
go.
we gotta get out of here. There's nothing like that uncomfortable smirk that's going on for both of us right now. We just moved in this weekend. Our first friend comes over. Full send down the neighborhood.
You know, I'm trying to set a good example. They better get used to it. You're living
They're gonna
here
get a
now.
lot of used
So,
to it.
yeah.
You guys, you Arizonans, with your
A little
beans,
chilly.
it's like 75.
You brought the cold front with you. I
Okay,
mean,
whatever.
at least it's not snowing. Okay. At least
Yeah, I can't believe that you two have lived this life for like the last 4 years.
Yeah.
You're just
Yeah,
living
about
it
four.
up. There's 48
You've been
states
missing
in the
out.
rest of the country
You've
that are
been
just
missing out.
frozen over.
But you've solved your problem.
I have.
You've solved your problem.
Yes,
you
I
have
have.
a house now down here.
It is snowing in Utah today, and we're going full send with the boys. LP 640. Oh my goodness, absolute legend. That car sounds so good. That is a 6.5 liter V12. I got the 6.2. That snows That car might quite possibly be the best sounding V12 in the world. So we got Belforti, sound like a UPS truck.
Love the Vipers, but they sound like a UPS truck.
You definitely need to add an LP640 in the garage someday. That car in every single proportion is automotive perfection. Let's see that. Arizona cannot be beat. If we were in Utah right now, we'd be cut up next to the fireplace, but instead, we're driving the Mercies. It's a Murcielago day. Viper right there with yellow wheels, what? Alex's Murcielago has the famed bat wings up all the time, every time, and there's a special trick to do that. So, we're gonna push this button right here.
We gotta trick
That's
these
gonna
wings up. We
raise
gotta-
the bat wings.
We gotta trick them up. I gotta
Are they
open
going
your,
up?
your bonnet.
Am I going up?
You're going up. He's gonna turn the car off. I'm gonna do the battery kill switch right after she turns it off.
Right.
We're gonna wait 30
You gotta be
seconds.
super fast to do that though.
You gotta have quick fingers.
Okay.
And right after that, we're gonna turn the car back on.
And that's gonna trick the system, and the bat wings will always be up like that. Right, turned off, kill switch, bat wings stay up.
Staying up,
Now we
baby.
wait 30 seconds.
30 seconds. We give the brain a little time, and then we pray that they stay up.
Okay.
We pray that they stay
Now
up.
it's been 30 seconds, so kill switch back on.
And then Belforti,
Twist
put
it.
the key in
right there. Okay. Turn the car back on, Belforti. We should be good to go. Bat wings should stay up. Immobilizer. Stay up, stay up, stay up. Oh, yes. Mr. Murcielago. It is an absolute game changer. The car looks so much more aggressive. Bro,
Dang, bro. Look
I
at
almost
you.
look like you.
Look at
I'm
you.
getting there. I'm
You
getting baby
look-
steps.
You look good.
That is so much
you're
better.
Though, arguably. Come on.
Wow. It doesn't even look like the same car anymore. The bat wings up completely changes the whole dynamic. Like this car in the rear view mirror is gonna look so aggressive.
Wings up, baby.
Let's go. This is Scottsdale, Arizona right now. I mean, I see daylight though. You can put paper through that. You gotta get your people in order.
I know. What's
What is going on?
What's
Nelly, come on. Your people are messing up. That's why Belforti and I are here.
That's right.
We got to teach politeness.
Hey, a little
That's
bit
right.
of chivalry.
Viper looking so good in front of the no parking sign.
Listen,
You do what you want. You got
told me-
displacement.
She told me there were some snakes in there, and I'm just trying to let her play with her friends, you know?
Downshift, baby! Downshift for no reason! There it is, yes sir! He knows, how does he always know? He's got an extra 60 horsepower on me! There's nothing I can do! It is flame season today! Come on, Mercy, Mercy! Let's see it, Alex! Let's see it! Next to the Tesla too! What in the world? Oh my gosh! What is Alex doing? That is absurd! It is flame season here in Arizona! This guy's an absolute madman! Every single time! On demand! You are popping! Like every single time! Insane! What is going on? What exhaust is that? Your car was absolutely billowing flames. I've never seen anything like it. Your back, baby.
Got a little dragon
That
light
was
tonight, you know?
I think your back bumper, is it melted?
You know,
I've never seen anything like that.
It's wrapped.
Is
So
it?
it's protected.
That
but
was
it does get a little charred every once in a while. We gotta
I mean, Belforti, like, how do you even describe that? He's
My
back,
heart
baby.
rate's still up. My heart rate.
You were melting the
Truth
pavement.
is, I never left, baby. All right, let's be real.
It's starting to marinate.
Medium.
It is definitely marinating.
Medium rare.
Yeah.
Medium rare. We don't
That
overcook
pink center
our,
flare.
We don't overcook our steaks. We don't overcook our clads.
And welcome back to home sweet home. It's so close on both sides, but we are good to go. Aventador Roadster looks so fresh. Yep. Keep coming, keep coming. Right there. No. Whoa. That front splitter, bro, we almost lost you. She's a tight squeeze. Oh, we got plenty of room back here. I did you dirty. Well, that right there is pretty much gonna do it. Ladies and gentlemen, we have officially moved to Scottsdale, Arizona. Now, as I mentioned at the onset of today's video, I did not sell my house in Utah. We're gonna be back in Utah a lot over the course of the next 3, 4, 5, 6 months, and then obviously the entire summer. In the summer in Arizona, it gets to like 120 degrees. Oscar Marshmallow could never survive here. So summertime's in Utah, the winter here in Arizona. But on that bombshell, today's video is over.